If you have ever stared at gold and thought, shiny rock make me rich, this is why you are wrong. Monkey, hear the myth every day. Myths say gold is money. Myths say gold always go up. Myths say gold keep monkey safe forever. Monkey put on tiny glasses. Monkey say, not so fast, monkey. Let us dig. What is gold, really? Long ago, monkey trade banana for banana. Monkey have banana, want leaf. But leaf monkey not want banana. This is problem. This called barter. Barter mean monkey must want exactly what other monkey have. Very annoying. So monkeys look for one shiny thing everybody want. Shiny thing, not rot. Shiny thing rare. Shiny thing easy to carry. Monkey pick shiny gold rock. Now everybody trade banana for gold, gold for leaf. Life good. Here is real word. Gold is a store of value. Store of value mean thing that hold worth over long time. Banana, bad store of value. Monkey put banana in drawer. Come back, banana brown and sad. Gold sit in drawer 1,000 years. Gold still shiny. That is why monkey ancestors love it. Not because gold magic, because gold boring. Gold do nothing. Gold just sit there and refuse to die. So myths say gold is money. But watch closely. When monkey go to banana store, can monkey pay with gold? No. Cashier, monkey stare. Cashier monkey say, we take leaf only. Gold is not money you spend. Gold is money you hoard. Big difference. Money is what you use today. Gold is what you cling to when you scared today is ending. What do you mean my shiny rock no good? Monkey worked hard for shiny rock. Monkey skipped banana lunch for shiny rock. Okay. Deep breath. Here is the thing myth never tell you. Gold has no price of its own. Gold only worth what next monkey will pay. Nobody pay gold rent. Nobody pay gold interest. Gold never send monkey a birthday card. Now, let us dismantle myth number 2. Myths say gold always go up. Wrong again, monkey. Gold go up when monkey's scared. Scared of inflation, scared of war, scared of leaf losing value. Remember, when monkey government print too many leaves, each leaf worth less. Monkeys panic. Monkeys run to gold. Price of gold go up. But when monkeys calm and banana economy strong, monkeys sell boring gold to buy exciting things. Gold price go down. Gold is a mood ring for fear. Real word time. Hedge. Gold is called a hedge against inflation. Hedge mean protection. Like when monkey plant bush around treehouse so wind not knock over. But hedge is not the same as growth. Bush protect treehouse. Bush do not make treehouse bigger. Monkey who put every leaf into gold for 50 years may end up safe. Also end up bored. Also watched banana businesses grow while gold just sat and sparkled. Let us do real numbers because numbers make monkey feel smart. Say monkey buy gold for 100 leaves. Gold does not pay monkey anything to hold it. 0 leaves a year. Meanwhile, monkey friend buy piece of banana farm for 100 leaves. Banana farm pay 5 leaves a year in banana profit. In 20 years, friend collected leaves and still owns farm. Monkey with gold. Still just owns gold. Same shiny rock. Hopefully worth more. Hopefully. This really happened, sort of. Long ago, many monkey countries tied their leaves directly to gold. This called the gold standard. Every leaf you hold, government promise a bit of gold behind it. Sounds safe. But gold standard also mean government cannot make more leaves in emergency, even when monkey economy's sick and needs help. So one by one, monkey countries let go of the gold. Now leaves are backed by trust and vibes. So what is the real answer under all the myth? Gold is not magic money. Gold is not a machine that always goes up. Gold is insurance. Monkey, buy insurance not to get rich. Monkey buy insurance so when everything on fire, monkey has something that everyone still wants. Small piece of gold in monkey basket, fine. Whole basket only gold. Monkey has bet entire life on everyone else staying scared forever. Quick monkey tips before monkey gets sued. 1. Do not put all leaves in one shiny thing. Spread the basket. 2. Ask what a thing actually does. Gold sits. Business grows. Both can live in monkey basket. 3. If you buy gold because YouTube monkey made you scared, That is the fear talking, not a plan. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. Monkey owns 3 bananas and a hat. That is gold, Monkey. Not money you spend. Not a rocket that only goes up. Just a boring, shiny, ancient security blanket that everyone agreed to want. If this made the shiny rock make sense, hit subscribe so more monkeys join the troop. And tell Monkey in the comments what to explain next. Thank you for watching Primate Portfolio.